What is up, guys? It's your boy Falcon back again, and today we're going to be adding an external hard drive into my PlayStation 4 because I was running out of room. So if you need to do this on your PlayStation or you're always running out of room, you might want to look into this. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so this is the external hard drive that I bought. This is actually a 4 terabyte hard drive. Now my PlayStation, I think he only has like 500 megabytes or 500 gigabytes, whatever it is. So it is the smallest one, and I've had it for almost 2 years. So this is actually my son's. I bought it for him, but I got him a new one, so I am getting this one for me. So, and we're always running into the problem of we always gotta erase old games so we can download new games. So this is a 4 terabyte. This is, even if you buy like the PlayStation Pro or the 1 terabyte PlayStation, this is 4 terabytes here. So this is huge. This is very simple to install. All you do is it comes with a USB drive. You connect it here, and the rest you're gonna do on your screen. So first, let me open this up, show you what comes inside, and then we'll go and do it on the PlayStation. Alright, so here it is, guys. There it is, the 4 terabyte external hard drive. Actually looks pretty slick, pretty smooth. Once you put it on, I mean, you're gonna connect it right here to the USB. You're just gonna seat it wherever you want, on the side, on the top. If you have one of the PlayStation Pros, this also works on a PlayStation Pro. You can also connect it on the back. It also has a USB connector on the back. If you're gonna buy one for your PlayStation, just make sure it's you can buy any external hard drive. Just gotta make sure that it works with a USB 3. This one, like, they had it packaged as specially for the PlayStation, blah blah blah. But really, you can use any of them as long as it's capable for the USB 3. It tells you the instructions right here, which is 3 steps. You connect it, you tell it that it's there, you format the hard drive, and that is it. Very simple. It comes with its own USB adapter, which is awesome. This one particularly, this 4 terabyte, was about 120 bucks. You can get them as cheap as 1 terabyte for like between $40 and $60. Really depends on what you want. I figured I'm gonna spend the money, might as well get the 4 terabyte one. So there it is. You can go from 1 terabyte for like 40-50 bucks, or you can go for this 4 terabyte. This one was 120. I've seen this one go for like $150 before, so I saw it for 120 and I had to get it. So now that we have it out, I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna plug it in back here, and then from here I'm gonna plug it into there. And the next thing you see, we're actually gonna be on the PlayStation, formatted in, and then just basically going from there. Alright guys, so here we go. We are on my PlayStation, and I'm gonna connect my 4 terabyte USB external hard drive into my USB port. Now I believe from the 2 USB ports that I have, the one in the left, it is a 3.0 USB. On the Pro, I believe the one in the back is also a 3.0, and one of the ones in the front. But this one, the old PlayStation, I think even on the Slim, you might have one in the back, but I'm not sure. I don't have a Slim. So now that I connected it, we're gonna go to devices, settings. We go to devices, USB storage device, and there it is, gaming drive, 4.01 terabytes. We're gonna click on it. We need to format it, so format as extended storage. And if you guys, here, let me go back, stop using storage device. So every single time where you're gonna disconnect it, you can always take this USB storage or this external hard drive, you can take it somewhere else, connect it to another PlayStation or connect it to your computer, but you have to come here and tell it stop using the device and disconnect it. So here we're gonna format it. You can install external storage, format, and we're just gonna let it do its thing. This device will be formatted as an extended storage. Are you sure you want to continue? Yes. This device has been formatted as an external storage. We are done. That is it, plain and simple. Now here we can go to our storages, and we're gonna see it right here. So here, the one in the bottom, that's our external hard drive right here, and the one in the top is the internal hard drive. It says applications, install location, so which means every single game that we download is gonna go directly to the extended storage. You can always change those options. You can always click up here, go to options, and put application install location, but that's not what we want to do. Also, we can also always move a game from our internal hard drive onto the external hard drive. So we're gonna go to an application here. For example, let's go to Detroit. We're gonna hit options and we can do move to extended storage. And then here I can actually move a lot of stuff all at once. I know FIFA takes a lot of it. Detroit, God of War is also a big one. So I'm just gonna do one of them for now so you guys can see it. We'll do a small one, that way you guys don't have to be here for that long. So let's do Fortnite, move it to the external one. We click on move. This application will be moved to the extended storage. Okay. Alright, so it is done. So now we back out of here and we look at our two storages, and now it's moved over here. As you can see, it doesn't make that much of a difference, but if we go here, we go to applications, we no longer see Fortnite. But then we go back to our main screen. Fortnite is still here and we can still play Fortnite just like normal. And it's gonna load up just like normal. So even though you moved it from one place to the other, you're still gonna have access to it. It's still gonna be on your main screen if you had it on your main screen. If it's a CD based game, which means every single time you play you have to put a CD in there, you still have to do the same thing. It just means that all of the data that gets backed up into your system is gonna go to the external hard drive. That is it. That is plain and simple. Alright guys, well I really hope that you found this video helpful. If you want me to do some more of these kind of like techie videos, how-to videos, just let me know that there in the comment section. I really hope that you found this video helpful. Alright guys, and as always, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell for me, share the channel. I will catch you guys on my next video. Thank you for watching, and you guys have yourselves a great day.